In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to create and modify shapes. We'll work inside Figma, and by the end, you'll know how to build shapes, combine them, and refine their form with handy controls. Start by opening Figma and a design file so you're looking at a blank canvas or an existing frame where you can work. First, let's create a rectangle. Head to the toolbar and select the rectangle tool. Click once on the canvas and drag to draw. If you want a perfect square, hold the Shift key while dragging. Create one square, then make a second one. Place the second square so it overlaps the first. You want a clear intersection where the two meet. Don't worry about exact measurements yet. Just make sure they cross over each other so you can see both edges. Now select both squares. You can do this by dragging a selection box around them, or by clicking one and then shift-clicking the other. With both selected, look for the subtract operation in your interface. Click subtract to cut the top shape from the one beneath it. This applies a Boolean operation that's non-destructive, meaning you can still edit the components later if you need to. You'll see a new combined shape that reflects that subtraction. With the new shape selected, go to the appearance area and adjust the corner radius. Increasing the radius will round the corners of your shape, softening the overall look. You can type in a value for precision or drag the control to preview changes in real time. This is great for moving from sharp geometry to a friendlier, more organic feel. Next, let's design a circle. Choose the ellipse tool from the toolbar. Click and drag on the canvas to draw. Hold Shift to constrain it to a perfect circle. When your circle is in place, look for the small dot along its edge. Drag that dot to open the circle into an arc, creating a pie-like slice. This is perfect for diagrams, loaders, or any visual that needs a partial circle. With the arc selected, fine-tune it in the panel by adjusting the corner radius and arc ratio. The arc ratio changes how large the slice is, while the corner or roundness values can soften the endpoints. Use numeric input for accuracy, or scrub the values to explore options quickly. And that's the basic flow. Build shapes, combine or subtract them, and refine with radius and arc controls to get exactly the look you want. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.